We are surrounded by technology. It's entering our homes and helping us automate daily tasks. But I find myself thinking, there has to be a more natural and accessible way to control the devices around us. If the goal of automation is to simplify our lives, why does it feel so complicated? Our goal as a company is to solve this. Say hello to Naki. Naki is a small, elegant device that instantly transforms ordinary surfaces in your environment into remote controls. Using Naki couldn't be easier. You simply take it out of the box, pick a place to put it, select a surface to attach it to, and then define all the things you'd like Naki to do. Naki can control a wide variety of devices around us. But the true beauty of our technology is that what it can do is only limited by your imagination.
There you go. Thanks a lot. Took you too long. Sorry.
Put one in your living room, or the kitchen, or even your bedroom. I mean, imagine rolling over in the morning and tapping a simple pattern anywhere on your nightstand to snooze your alarm and start the coffee maker without even opening your eyes. You just bought 10 more minutes in bed. And you'll definitely want to put one in your kid's bedroom. It's exciting to think of how Naki will spark their imagination as they figure out all kinds of ways to use it.
Using Wi-Fi, which is proven to be far more reliable and with better reach than Bluetooth, you can enjoy using Naki from anywhere. The number of devices and software that Naki interacts with is rapidly growing every day. It currently includes Nest, Philips Hue, LifeX, SmartThings, IFTTT, and more. But even if you're new to the smart technology world, you can still use Naki for simple functions around your home. Other technologies that rely on sound or voice control can be unreliable and confusing to use. They can be triggered accidentally and don't always work as expected. Our patent-pending technology uses non-acoustic sensors. It's able to distinguish deliberate tap or knock patterns from random vibrations in the environment.
The beauty of our product is that it makes any regular environment into a user interface. Think about the surfaces around you. So many of them serve one or two purposes. Add a Naki to them and you instantly have a hub for automation. We carefully chose every material and finish for Naki. We've gone through a series of different tests and prototypes to make sure that Naki blends in your environment and also looks beautiful on your surfaces.
We're doing our first production runs here in the USA because it's important for our entire team to be there on the ground floor, ensuring that we're manufacturing the best possible product. We're excited to bring Naki to Kickstarter. It's not some far-fetched idea. We've finalized our designs, we have a beautiful working prototype, and we need to raise funds to actually get it into production and immediately start shipping them to your door. We couldn't be more excited about how this product is going to change lives and bring joy to people everywhere. Naki accomplishes what technology is supposed to do. Instead of taking over our life, it enhances it, allowing you to put more thought and effort into the things that really matter. Tap into the world around you with the magic of Naki.
I came up with the idea for a translator when I met a French girl. That's really where the story starts. I was on vacation and I met this girl. It was difficult for us to communicate because she didn't speak English very well. And even when we tried to find a solution, like using some translation app to communicate, it was horrible. Look, if you and I are speaking and our phones are in our face like this, forget it. This is a wall. We're out of this real world interaction. But this, in your ear, puts us right back in it. Elodie, put this in your ear.
Je mets ça dans mon oreille?
Yeah, put it in your ear.
Comme ça?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you hear me in French?
Pouvez-vous me entendre en français?
Oui! Et je peux t'entendre parler français? Mais c'est
Yes,
génial.
I can hear you talk French.
Attends, comment ça se fait? C'est
But this is awesome. But how you do it?
Yeah, it's translating. It's translating. This little wearable uses translation technology to allow two people to speak different languages, but still clearly understand each other. Simply put, when one person speaks, the other hears it in their language.
Developing the pilot has been an intensive process. Our team has been working on it for over 2 years. Andrew is our original co-founder and oversees product development. I'm an electrical engineer and expert in manufacturing. We also have a mechanical engineer, software engineer, PhD in machine translation, as well as an industrial designer. Our wide breadth of experts has allowed us to develop a product from the ground up.
We wanted to create something that hugs the curves of the ear without being obtrusive. Something snug but fashionable to wear. In the process, we just decided to throw in an extra earpiece for wireless streaming music. That means the full system includes 2 earpieces and its accompanying app. It's from the app itself, where all of the languages are uploaded to the earpiece. It's kind of an end-all solution for the traveler or the international professional. That's what we're doing here at Waverly Labs. It's simply the most advanced communication wearable. This Indiegogo campaign helps us finish what we started. We can get the earpieces along with this portable charger, manufactured and delivered within a year. The app works on its own if you just want to use the app for basic translation. And we'll have the app out by late summer, first for our backers here on Indiegogo. But for the full experience, you really want the earpieces too. It's the dream, you know? A life untethered, free of language barriers. It's just that it's no longer a dream anymore. It's real.
What's up? I'm Pedro. Me and my crew, Astrid and Hassan, got 2 problems. Every time we see a squirrel, we have to chase it. Sometimes we run so far, we get lost. Did you know that every second, a dog runs away and never comes back? Darn those squirrels. I have a heart disease that no one knows about. I try to tell my humans about it, but they don't understand what I'm saying. It's time for change. I want to keep me and my crew safe so that we can continue hanging out in the park. This is how. Tracy is an accessory that you put on my dog collar. It'll track my position and also measure my health condition. To use it, simply turn on your base and attach the Tracy tracker to my collar. Now, you can see where I am in the Tracy app, anytime, anywhere, in real time. You can also create safety areas. If I would ever walk outside of the safety area, you would get a message from the Tracy app. Tracy can also measure my activity, like when I walk, sleep, play, run, drink, and eat. You can also teach the app new activities specific for me, like when I wave at you. Using this data, Tracy will help you detect early warning signs of disease, so I can stay healthy and live longer. Also, Tracy has the longest battery life in the world and is the smallest long-range tracker ever made. Humans, it's time for you to understand our barking. The dog revolution is on. Tracy is fully developed and ready for mass production. All we need is the money to start. Now, you have 2 choices. Either hit close and every second a dog goes missing while illness goes undetected, or click contribute now to make this product a reality for all. Dogs are loyal. Let's be loyal back. Join now and help me and my crew.
A couple years ago, we set out to build a family of affordable yet high-quality smart weather stations. And we've done it. Our weather stations are simple to install, require almost no maintenance, and automatically connect with your smartphone, your smart home, and the internet. They're better than other stations sold at 2 or 3 times the price. Finally, you can have useful weather information from your own backyard. This is AIR. AIR measures temperature, atmospheric pressure, and relative humidity. And AIR does something else special. It detects lightning. It'll not only alert you when lightning strikes, but it'll estimate the strength and distance of the storm up to 25 miles away. And it'll tell you how fast the storm is approaching. Just set it outside in the shade. AIR has a battery that'll last years, and it connects wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or home network. You don't have to think about it. When there's something you need to know, it'll alert you. You can also view your data anytime through our Smart Weather app, as well as other popular weather apps like Weather Underground. And this is Sky. Sky measures sunlight, solar radiation, including UV index. It also does two really cool things. It measures rain and wind with no moving parts. Unlike old school tipping buckets that can break or fill with things other than rain, Sky senses each individual raindrop using an innovative haptic rain sensor. It can alert you the instant it starts to rain, tell you how hard it's raining, and how much it rained yesterday or last week. Sky also measures wind speed and direction using an array of sonic transducers. This sonic anemometer is better in many ways than traditional spinning cups, and usually only available in much more expensive systems. Like Air, Sky comes with a long life battery and is completely wireless. Also like Air, Sky is simple to install. Just find a spot with a clear view of the sky. Both Sky and Air work with all the popular smart home platforms, so you can do all those nifty smart home things, like reminding you to put on sunscreen when the UV index is high, delaying your sprinklers when it rains, optimizing your air conditioning system to save money, turning on your lights when the sun goes down, or closing your garage door when the wind kicks up. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're a certified weather geek, just like all of us at Weatherflow. We're on Indiegogo now because we want you to be the first to get your hands on one of our new weather stations, and because we need your feedback. As we finalize production details on the hardware and in the app, there's still time to make changes. Ask us questions. What did we do right? What could be better? Please take a look at our perks. Share this page with your friends, weather geek or otherwise. We want these to be the best home weather stations in the world because we want you to have better weather data. Please help us do that. Thank you.
The future is here, and with it, robots. But building your own robot can be overwhelming and unintuitive. Not anymore. These are the guys from Zero UI. Their dream is to make robotics easy and fun for everyone. Their team created the Zyro, the world's first hand gesture controlled robotics kit for everyone. Zyro consists of 3 parts: the motorized modules, the smart glove, and the smartphone app. Zyro's modular design enables free-form robotics construction, enabling you to build virtually anything. Modules can be animated in a hinge or 360-degree rotational movement. Pair your glove to the modules with the smartphone app and bring your robot to life. Whether you're a robotics enthusiast, an aspiring superhero, evil genius in training, or someone looking to expand their creativity, Zyro is for you. Zyro is for all ages and all genders. There's no limitations. You can design and build it from scratch or use a pre-made starter kit. Design, build, rebuild. Zyro can be used over and over again, making new and different robots each time with the same modules. Learning should be fun and engaging. Unleash your creativity and be at the forefront of robotic technology with Zyro. Back us today and receive an exclusive Indiegogo discount on your kit. Zyro. Let your imagination come to life.